students, in this video we will discuss one very important question related to social science class 9, and it is related to education during British rule. And you know, British East India Company was a commercial organization. It had nothing to do with Indian education. Anyhow, in 1813, uh, through Charter Act, a fund of 1 lakh rupees was raised annually to be spent on educating the Indians. But it was only a paperwork, it was never implemented. In 1835, one educationist known as Lord Macaulay, he was also the law member of the Governor General's Council. He recommended that there should, Western education should be spread in India. And in 1854, Sir Charles Wood, the president of Board of Control of British East India Company, presented a comprehensive plan for the expansion of uh, Western education in India. And this plan is known as Wood's Dispatch. This plan is known as Wood's Dispatch. It was based on um, the recommendation of Lord Macaulay in 1854. It came. Then it had some recommendations. It recommended some points for the spread of uh, Western education in India. First was that education should be imparted in India through uh, um, vernacular language up to school level, and at collegiate level it should be at collegiate level it should be imparted in English. This was one recommendation, number one. It also, Wood's Dispatch also recommended that meritorious students should be given a scholarship, and to you see raise the number of educational institution, a system of grant in aid was laid through this through this recommendation, Wood's Dispatch. Next, the Wood's Dispatch also recommended that that uh, one department of education department should be established in every province of the country. This was one uh, you see recommendation of the Wood's Dispatch. Next recommendation was that uh, three universities, each one in Calcutta, Mumbai and Madras, should be established, and it should be established in these cities on the model of London University. Next, at least one government school should be there in every district of the country. And last but not the least, it also recommended, it also this dispatch also advocated for the female education. These were the recommendation of this uh, Wood's Dispatch. Next is, what was the motive behind this Wood's Dispatch? The motive behind this Wood's Dispatch was that the British wanted to create a class of people who could serve them as peon, as clerk. They did not want Indians to be appointed as administrator on higher post, holding higher ranks in military service or civil service. This was not their motive. Their motive was only to prepare Indians for minor jobs, clerk, peons, like that. They also wanted to spread Western culture in the country. This was their motive, objective behind Wood's Dispatch. They also wanted you see to make Indians uh, uh, make Indians British by thought, but Indians by look. They wanted to change, bring about a change in this way, that the Indians should build up a thought like the Western people, but they just look like Indian people. These were the motives behind Wood's dispatch. Next is, uh, if you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my channel Indra Coaching Classes, like this video and comment. If you have any queries regarding history, you see social science and English, you may write your question in the comment box. I will try to satisfy you. Then thank you. Have a nice time. I think you will do this.